I've been using this Force of Nature cleaner for years now. I love it. Whatever you want to disinfect, you can use Force of Nature, and it is so simple. You just fill this line with water. Okay, once this is full, you take one of these pods, twist it off, and you just put it in. Then we're gonna open this up, plug this in, plug this into an outlet. Once this is all green is when it's finished. Once it's all done, I just unplug it, close up this back part, and pour it into a spray bottle. I love Force of Nature. I use this thing for everything. For cleaning fruit, cleaning my shoes after the gym, bathroom, really anything. I highly recommend Force of Nature. It's great.